Hi, welcome to our new series on Word. We start by finding the Word program. Its icon looks like this, blue with a W in it. You'll find it either on your desktop or in your menu. Open it up and you're presented with a template selection. We're going to start with a blank document so that we can learn from scratch. So once you have it blank document open, you've got a flashing cursor, which is where you will type. At the top, like all Office programs, we have what's called a ribbon, and that ribbon has several functions that based on whichever tab you happen to be in. This menu that goes across the top are called tabs. You have Home, Insert, Design, and the rest of them. Each tab has functions relating to the title of that tab. Layout gives you functions that control the layout of your document. View shows how you can look at the document. Home gives you a selection of functions from all those other tabs. Most of the functions in Home are the common ones that you'll use most often. You see where the flashing cursor is, that's where you will start to type. If you want to type somewhere other than where the flashing cursor is, down below it or beyond it, you have to double click your mouse cursor to get there. Place the cursor where you want and double click, and you have a new location that you can start typing in. Before you start typing, you might want to select your font. This section here gives you a way to control what your type style looks like. The default here is Calibra, but you can change it to any font that you have installed in your system. You can see that the fonts listed are in the style they will look like. If we choose Bradley Hand here, and we can tell it we want it to be large because we're going to type a title at the top of our page. You can highlight what you've typed and you can change it. You can make it smaller or larger. With it still highlighted, we can go to the section where it aligns it, get it centered on the page. We can make it bold, italicize it, which slants it, put an underline. You can, instead of using the number, you can use these two little symbols here, the A with the up, the A with the down arrow, and that will make it larger or smaller. You can choose to change the case. We can make it all uppercase, all lowercase, turn it into sentence case. And you can even capitalize each word as you might do with a title. And that's this upper lowercase a symbol. You can clear the formatting and get back to what you started with. You can also color it. You can change your font color. You can put a background color on it, like highlighting it. And here's some common other formatting for it. First one is a strike through. That puts a line through the fonts. You have to highlight them, and you can see the line appear before. You can also superscript it or subscript it, which on the same line simply means it makes it smaller and puts it at the top of the line or at the bottom of the line in relation to the rest of the text. You can even turn it into stylistic text, create it with an outline, put a drop shadow on it, make it glow. Those are all parts of formatting how your font or type style looks. That's a good start for the first in our series. Come back for more later.